What does on-premises mean? Here is the example sentence. Windows Azure Caching was developed from an on-premises caching solution that shipped with Microsoft App Fabric 1.1 for Windows Server. What does on-premises mean?
On-premise. Traditional method of installing and customizing software on the customer's own computers that reside inside their own data center. On-premises software. Often abbreviated as on-prem software, and also called on-premises software, is installed and run on computers on the premises, in the building, of the person or organization using the software, rather than at a remote facility, such as at a server farm or cloud somewhere on the internet. On-premises software is sometimes referred to as shrink-wrapped software, and off-premises software is commonly called software as a service, or computing in the cloud. Related, on-premises, on-prem, off-premises applications, what are they?